Hey everyone, welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Lauren, this is Jenny. We're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors, and today we're working with Country Time to use one of their brand new products in some delicious sparkling mocktail recipes.
That's right, Lauren. Today we are using the new Country Time sparkling lemonades to make some really great mocktails. I'm so excited for these.
Me too, and I'm really just excited about this product. So it's a new product from Country Time, and I'm sure many of you, when you hear Country Time, you think of their delicious lemonade options, which we grew up drinking. Yeah. But these are some fun twists on that, just adding a little bit of fizz. So really fun. I also love they come in these just really cute, like little
7.5 ounces, yeah.
So really like the perfect amount, and we're gonna use these different flavors in some different mocktail recipes today. So we're gonna start with our first one. So we're using the Country Time, the pink lemonade, and we're gonna be using this in a chia blueberry pink lemonade mocktail.
Yes, yum.
So to get started, we're gonna crack open our lemonade here. We've got some ice in our glass already. So I'm gonna fill up just about half of the glass with the pink lemonade. And then the other half, I'm just going to use just some seltzer. So it will be slightly sweet, but not too sweet since we're adding some seltzer. And then we're gonna add in just our garnishes. So this is really the main drink portion, and then we're just gonna add in some fresh blueberries, which I just love.
So pretty in this drink.
The color in this drink with the blueberries. And then kind of a fun ingredient I mentioned, this is a chia cocktail, so we're adding in some chia seeds as another fun garnish. But what's fun about the chia seeds is that chia seeds just will take up some of that water and they'll expand a little bit, so they'll taste a little more jelly than like a seed. So really fun, especially the longer you let these sit too.
Yeah, they turn into like little chewy bubbles.
Yes, yeah, exactly. So perfect for this mocktail recipe.
Awesome. And then for our second one, we have a strawberry basil lemonade.
Ooh, I love those flavors together.
It's like a great combination. So to start, we're just going to muddle some basil right in our glass, release some of those flavors.
And the muddling step is really important because, as Jenny mentioned, it helps to kind of break down that basil a little bit and release all those amazing flavors into the drink.
I can smell it. It smells so good. Get a little bit of ice in here. And then we're using the pink lemonade, or the strawberry lemonade.
Yep.
Also
They're
in a
both
pink can.
Just a little bit darker pink for the strawberry.
About half full, and then add some seltzer
to that one.
Again, cutting down on some of that sweetness.
And what I love about these recipes too is that you can really customize. So if you don't want to add in the seltzer and you do want it to be a little sweeter, use more of the actual sparkling lemonade, whatever you prefer.
And just a few strawberry slices to finish it off.
Oh my gosh, fun.
Yeah.
I love the presentation of these. They're really easy and definitely kid-friendly too. So something easy to make, whether you're entertaining or just something fun for the kids.
Yeah.
All right, so last recipe we're making today is a sparkling Arnold Palmer. I love Arnold Palmers.
Me too.
And what's great about them is that they're typically made with half lemonade and then half unsweetened iced tea. So again, cutting down a little bit on that sweetness, but still having those really good flavors. So this one today will be sparkling. And we're also changing it up a little bit by adding in some fresh mint leaves, which we are going to, again, muddle to help release all those great flavors.
I love the addition of mint in this.
Oh, it smells so fresh. That's what I love about these mocktail recipes is they all have very fresh ingredients and they complement the lemonade really well. So we've got our sparkling lemonade. We're gonna add in again about half. I love sparkling waters, sparkling cocktails, whatever it might be. So I love the addition of the bubbles in all these recipes. And then we're going to just garnish. You can squeeze a little lemon over the top if you want, and then just garnish with that sliced lemon.
So fun. And I love that this is such a family-friendly drink, but of course, if you prefer more of an adult beverage, you can add whatever alcohol you like.
Yes.
Very customizable.
Add in your favorite spirits, but overall, these little cans are just really fun, and they're easy to take on the go for all your summer activities, or if you are entertaining and want something just a little bit more fun.
Yeah, I love these.
All right, so I'm going to try this chia one because I'm very interested to see how these all pair together.
We've got strawberry basil.
Cheers. Oh, I love the fizziness of these drinks.
And the basil is really, really good in this. I just love that combination.
Fun. Well, we hope you find yourself sipping on these sparkling mocktails this summer.
And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit festfoods.com.